Finally, we got our first real-life images of the upcoming Z Fold 5, which reveals no gap in the hinge. Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is just around the corner. The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will make their debut at the upcoming event. But it appears that the foldable devices are already out in the wild. The hands-on images of Fold 5 have just surfaced on the internet. The images were shared on Twitter by Ahmed Equator, giving us a glimpse of the upcoming Fold 5. Even though Equator did not say much about the images, we can see an improved hinge design and the back camera design of the device. There have been many rumors regarding the Fold 5 in the past. Most of them suggested that Samsung will utilize a new hinge design for its next foldable device, while the images shared by Equator confirm that the rumors were true. In other words, the hands-on photos do showcase a water drop-shaped hinge. This hinge will make the Fold 5 offer a much better experience than the Fold 4. And even though the images do not show the internal mechanism, it could be similar to the water drop design that Xiaomi, Oppo, Huawei, and Vivo are using for their new generation foldable phones. That means the crease will be very minimal, delivering an immersive display experience. Besides the hinge, the real hands-on images show the device's camera setup. It appears that Samsung kept the same back camera design as the Fold 4. However, if you take a closer look, Samsung has changed the position of the LED flash. It is now placed on the right side of the camera sensors. It is expected that the device will have a 50 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 10 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. On the top, it has 3 microphones and a loudspeaker. So in total, the phone seems to have a stereo loudspeaker setup and 4 microphones. Meanwhile, the Fold 5 could disappoint users with its lack of dust resistance rating. According to Tipster Ice Universe, the device will not feature an IP58 dust and water resistance rating. Instead, it could continue to come with an IPX8 rating for water resistance, similar to the Galaxy Fold 3 and Fold 4. If this information is correct, it is most likely that even the Galaxy Flip 5 will lack the IP58 rating. Despite the new hinge, Samsung seems to have not improved the durability of its upcoming foldable phones. They are rumored to feature the ability to withstand 200,000 folds for basic wear and tear, with 300,000 folds and unfolds as its higher limit. It is possible that Samsung has improved the dust resistance of the Fold 5, but isn't ready to advertise it as it isn't as good as the IP68 rating that its slab-styled Galaxy A and Galaxy S series phones have. For a couple of years, Samsung was the only brand that offered foldable phones with an IPX8 rating for water resistance. However, Google and Huawei now offer an IPX8 rating for their foldable phones. So how do you like these new hands-on images of the upcoming Galaxy Fold lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then don't forget to drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.